Hello, hello, my name is Peter Legrove, and today we are going to go through the free software you need to make a video. It's all free, it's cheap, and it's actually quite easy to use. Now the first one I like is the video camera that I'm using. The screen capture software is this Debu video capture software. Now I'll just go up to the home page. It's this one here. Comes under Nico software capture. Nice, niche or something, software capture. Now it's actually very good. Now you just get the get it now. This is the 14-day what do they call it? Free trial, and it's actually very good. Very good. Easy to use, idiot proof sort of thing. But I got mine from this one here, File Hippo. This is all legal free software, so it's, and you can actually get older versions, and sometimes the older version is better than the new version. Now I think it's under audio video. You just check the names here, and if it's not there you click here, and you just look at these. These are all free, legal. This is legal free software here. Now where is it? There it is there. Debu video capture. So you click on here. This just saves going through their website, and it takes a while to come down, but here you should get a list as soon as it comes down of all the versions. And what I did was I clicked on an older version, because that's the free one they used to have before, because I've used this one before. Here it is here. Now this is the latest version. That's one you get from their website. But if you want an older one, like I got this one here, I don't like beta, so I downloaded this one because this is the one they always had before. It was free. You didn't have to go through the 14-day free trial. So you download that one there, and you end up with something like this. I don't know if it'll work. And this is the page here. This is what ends up on your screen. Now I'm recording this now, that's why you got the sound or the volume whatever there. But you change this to AVI. You must change that to AVI. And also you should go into options. If it doesn't work, go into options. I don't know if I can do that now. And you can. You must make sure screen capture is on here. And if you're using the webcam, you click that one there to go to webcam, and then the webcam will start up. But this is the video software. It's very good. I'm very impressed with this for free software. It's excellent, this one here. Now once you've got the video sorted out and you want to do some free dub, VideoDub, and now I use this one here, VideoDub. Which one is it? This one here, DVD Video Soft. Now DVD Video Soft has heaps of free programs. I mean heaps of free programs. So you can download a lot here. They're all there. But I don't. I just download what I want. Now if you're going to upload your video to YouTube, you just download this one here. We'll do the YouTube uploader. If you want to use this one, it's okay. But for VideoDub, you just go through all the list of all free stuff. So there's bound to be something there you need. And then you go down to this one here, free audio and video editing software, and you click on VideoDub. Now I'll just, if I got VideoDub, so you go VideoDub, you just click on this one here, and you end up with this one here, download free version here. And it's very easy to use. I mean, it's incredibly easy to use, no problem. I just downloaded the one. Now I should have it here somewhere. Now free VideoDub is this one here. When you open it, that's what you end up with. See a new version available. I don't really want to do that. You import your file. We'll show you how to do it later, but that's what you end up with, and you can play with that. It's amazing software, that one. So I'll close that one. So that's VideoSoft. Oh, that's VideoDub. Now when you're doing well, I like PowerPoint. PowerPoint presentation. So we go back to here, and this one here is my favorite, 120. This one here, PowerBack, powerbacks.com, are all free. There's your, I think this is your copyright here, so it seems to be okay to use for anything you like. And what you do is you hit one of these and you end up with something like this. Oh, that's not very good. You end up with one of these, and you look at the pictures, which picture you want. Now, if you're doing a medical thing, you'd pick something like that. If you're doing a CV cover, you want a blank one you can write on. So I don't know about these, like these. If you're a doctor or a nurse, you could use one of these. And this is it's a business one. You could use something like that. This one here, that's big fish eat little fish from the game. So this is something from the business set. If you want to get the next set, you just click here and you come up with another set. And this one's from education. So that one's free. You can write on there. You put your name and that myth. So this is actually very good. I like that site, but I got them here, and I'll show you what they do. Where are we? This one here. Now you end up with a download, and you end up with this. Now this is the one you can use. You go to here and you go open, and doesn't know, so you go open here. No, you click this here, and you go OK. Now they're pretty hard to open. I use Open Office, or you can use Microsoft PowerPoint for Windows, same stuff, and you go OK, and it will open in Microsoft or Open Office. Now Open Office takes a while to load up, but it does, and it's the same as PowerPoint, as long as we get it. See, that comes in PowerPoint. You can put your name, your CV, all that. We'll do that later, but that's what it is. That's Open Office. If you've never used it, it's an amazing thing to use. It's free software, and that'll open in PowerPoint or Open Office. Open with. No, we don't want to do that. So that's Open Office. Now we go back here. If you're looking for Open Office, I have Open Office here somewhere. This one here. See, I want to download Open Office. Sometimes it can take a while. It's quite a big download, but it's all free. It's excellent. The only thing that's not there is Microsoft front page. You've got to use another one for front page. So that's most of the free stuff at the moment. Now we'll try Open Office. Now when you've got your once you've made your video, made your PowerPoint presentation, you want to turn your PowerPoint presentation into a video. Now this program here, which you download, it's free PowerPoint video converter. You turn a PowerPoint presentation into a video, which is right here. Free, this one here. When it comes up, so this is very easy to use. Very easy. Just add task. I would do it like we'll show you. We'll actually do one on here, but that's what you end up with if you download the free PowerPoint video converter. And I use it to change the PowerPoint presentation to a video, and then when you've got that sorted out, you go to free video. This one here, free video joiner. That's what it says, free video joiner, and you can join your PowerPoint presentation to your video, or if you cut your video up in little bits, you just stick them all in there. I always use AVI. See, one problem with this is it takes a long time, but it's free, so you can't really complain. Now that basically goes through all the free software. Well, I'll demonstrate them all later. But there's one, if you use a video camera, your outside external video camera, and you want to change it to AVI. Now I like Kyoto Soft. Kyoto is one of the better ones, and you got to go to this one here, free video converter, and it'll convert your MPEG into AVI, unless I can't work out how to do it on my camera, but my camera records an MPEG, and to change it, and it's 4 gigabytes for one movie or something. And to change it into AVI, I use this program here. It's very good because some programs will not actually do it. So I don't know why, but this is one of the better ones. So that's if you use an external video camera to take your videos. Now that sums up the software we use. It's all you need if you're going to do a video presentation. That's what you need to make the video. Now the next thing we do is go on to the video. So I'll stop here. Hi, now this time we're going to make a title page using the PowerPoint templates from PowerBack with Open Office because it's free. So first you click on this is a zipped folder, and you open this one here. Now these are PPT files. These are JPG. See, if you want to use one of these, you have to open it differently. So you go to here first, and you always change it to here, OK, and Windows does it for you, so you click OK, and Open Office opens, and the picture ends up here. It's the same one we had before. So to change the title, you click on here and put your name. Looks good. Now I would change it to bold. Arial's okay. You can change the font if you like, but Arial's good. And change the size. You click this one here, and you make it a bit bigger so people can see you. Yeah, that's good. And then you want to move it up to here, a bit higher. Oh, didn't move very good. Move that up. Yeah, move it up a bit more. Oh, that's how you should do it. Yeah, that's okay, but the old colour's not too good. I don't like their standard colour, so you change it. You go to here. Try red. Yeah, what do you reckon? Not too good. Well, and you got to go back again to change the colour. You always got to bold the thing to there, and if you want to try another colour, you can go. Well, blue's a good little colour. I like blue. Now that's too hard to read. It must be easy to read. It's the golden rule, so you can't use blue. So go back to another colour. There's heaps of colours there. Green's no good because the background's green. Brown's no good because the dinosaur's brown. Purple's probably no good, so we'll stick with red. This red is okay. I think light red. What do you reckon? Yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty good. And we've got this one here, and we move this one up to here. And this one, what are you going to put in here? I'll put in my CV. Plot it out, make it bold, and then go back to the enlarger. Make it bigger. Just make it bigger, bigger. No, I wouldn't use it the same size as this, just a little bit under. And always use the same color. I think the same color looks good. Now looking at that presentation, that's not centered. That's not very good. So move it down a bit. Move it down about there. And this one here, you could probably move it down too, because look at it. Well, it looks a bit better. Before it was too high. You could even move this one a bit further down too. Is that okay? Move it down to there. It's easy to move. You just, to move it, you click on the edge and you put the arrow. Where is it? Click on, try again. Click on the edge, click here, and put the arrow inside, and you move it around like this. And I'd try and center them so it's pretty even, like, you know, not quite so centered over, but more. So it's just make it pretty center, that's all. Now that looks okay, looks good, looks good. Now you save, go to here, save as. You must always say them as PPT. This one here, PowerPoint PPT. Because it opens under other it'll open other programs. But if you save it in the other with ORG, it won't. So, and then change the name, video. You could say video cover, and I've already got one file under that name, so video cover 2.ppt. It's saved there, and it's saved in my documents. So you know where it's saved, okay? You want to save it in another folder, you can. So we could save it in our make video presentations here. There's no ob, so we just save. PPT, save there. Now because this is a PowerPoint presentation, this is Open Office, you must keep current format. Don't save it in that one because it won't open in other programs. There, now it's saved. Now we go into PowerBacks, go back to make video cover 2. There it is. It's saved in video cover 2. Now we're going to make this into a video. So we go to here, EM PowerPoint Video Converter. Very easy to use. Start with new task, add file. We've got to find it, so it's under desktop, make video presentation, video cover 2. It's the only one there, so open. Oops, what's happened? Oh, okay. It's an advertising page. Don't worry about that. Just go to AVI video. Now, for some reason, when you use Open Office, that happens. But don't worry. See, it's here. It's come up. Now, you've got to make... I don't know which one of these two to use, so I'll use them both. I'll put them both on 10. 10 seconds. That gives you 10 seconds of video. There. Now, disable the sound, because everything you say will come up on your video. It goes into this video file here. Can we change it to, where's desktop? We'll make video presentations. Okay. Okay, yes. So everything going into this video here, so you know where it is. That's the biggest problem. I keep losing things. So make sure you just click off enable sound, because when you're doing this, it'll make the sound. Now you click here, convert, and this is the way. This is the thing. Oh, you've got to make sure PowerPoint switched off. Switch Open Office off. Is that saved? Yeah, that's saved. Video cover 2. Click. So make sure PowerPoint is switched off. There's no PowerPoint down there, and don't remind me again. No, you got to be reminded on that one. So, okay. And you got this line here, and it sits here for a while, and all of a sudden it goes whoop, and it's finished. Well, I hope it's finished. If it doesn't work on this one, you have to go back through PowerPoint, but there it is. Now it's finished, see? Video cover 2 is now AVI file, 10 seconds. So we'll just try it. It's in I use GOM player here. This is GOM player, see? And the sound's off, look. No sound, excellent. And that's 10 seconds. And it does it again. So that's how you make a title page. No problem at all. That's the title page there. So when you do your free EM, I'd stick back to enable sound in case you want to actually talk when you're doing the presentation. So click this off. So that's how you that's how you turn a PowerPoint presentation into a video. Just making a video cover for 10 seconds. Thank you. Now I just found out I made a mistake saying something to do with this PowerPoint video converter. Now I said you add the task, add the file. That's quite good. find your documents. Mine's on desktop. Make a video presentation. I'm making another video presentation here. This is video cover 3. Open. It's the same as the Open Office. There's an Open Office video PowerPoint slide. Now in the other video I said this enables sound, but don't do that. Always leave the sound on, but don't say anything when you're recording, because for some reason when you join the video together the sound files get all screwed up. So we don't want to switch the sound off. Now I'll convert this one, but I'm going to say nothing while I convert it because it'll come up on the screen, on the video file. Okay, now that one came up okay then. So this time when we do the video, here it is. I think it's video cover 3A. Video cover 3, this one here I think it is. When this video comes up, you can hear a humming sound, but that means the sound file is in use, which is what you want. So I close it there. So when you're doing this, where is it? When you're using this EM PowerPoint video converter, don't click off the sound. Leave the sound on, but don't make a sound when you're doing it, because the sound files, when you join them together, will get all, well, they get all messed up. Now that is the problem. It took me, I just worked it out, but don't undo the sound. Just start it up and then be quiet while you're videoing, while the video file is being made. Now that's just keep that in mind, because it will cause problems. But if you're using the PowerPoint video as a cover page, it's alright. It's only when you have that video or the PowerPoint video in the middle of the main video, when you're joining it in at the end or in the middle. But if you join it at the front, it's normally okay. Okay, I'm sorry about that, but I hope you don't make that mistake, because it will screw up the sound on your video at the end. Now we're going to start our video presentation. Now I've made a cover for the video presentation. This one here is the same as the other one, but just a different picture. But it looks good, my video presentation. Just put it on in front of your video, join it up with your video joiner. But you need something like that, just so when it starts, it's another 10 second video, that's all, and you can go on to video presentation. So really this is what you'll do. You'll join that part to your video, and that's it. That's what you'll have on your CV. Or you can have something, my video presentation or my video CV or my video something with your name on it. Just that's to start the video presentation. And it's the same with the debut thing, but you click on the webcam here, go to options here, and make sure the webcam is clicked if it doesn't work, and that'll start the video, the webcam going. And that's all you need really. Then when you've finished it, you edit it and join this to the front of it. Okay. Hi, now this time we're going to get on to the video presentation. Now be respectably dressed, because they can see you. Stand in the middle of the screen and keep your eye on the camera, not on the screen, unless your camera's on the screen. But then what do you say? Now you keep it simple, try and keep it short. I would say something like, hello, I'm Peter Leegrove, and this is what I can do for you, or I can do for your company. That's the magic words. That's what they want to hear. what you can do for them. So you start off by saying that. This is what I can do for your company, and start talking about the things you've already done. Now, that'd be the shortest, simplest form of the video presentation. Looking at you, you're just saying what you can do. And when you end it, you should say something like, if you would like me to work for you, call me, or call me in for an interview or something. Tell them what to do, because they probably won't. Well, I shouldn't say that, but you never know. If you tell them what to do, you got more chance of getting the result. Now, another thing you can do is do a video presentation. Now, I've got this trusty blackboard here. It's not much, it's only little, but it's okay. Now, I'm just going to go through the steps for making a video presentation. Now, the first thing you do is you get the PowerPoint, your PowerPoint title. You see that thing? PP, not too good. Anyway, you get a PowerPoint title like my CV, Peter Lee Grove, my CV on your PowerPoint. You turn it into a video, and then you do your either video presentation, this one here, VP, video presentation. Then if you like, you can do a screensaver presentation. That makes it a lot better. So you got the video, you join the screensaver. Now all these, you use the VideoDub. You cut the video up to fit. So you do, except for this one here, you probably don't need to. These two, you cut the ends off, the front off, except with this debut video software is actually quite good. You don't need to if you do it right. But then you need the VideoDub to slice the parts off you don't want. Then you go to the video joiner and you join them together in the right order. The title, the video presentation, and the screensaver. Or you can have the screensaver here, it's up to you. But that's the system you use to make a video. And after you've joined them up, and don't forget AVI. But there's a problem with AVI. To put it up on YouTube, you've got to have FLV. But that's easy, no problem changing it. But I always make them an AVI because actually more, you can do more things with them. More software is easier to use with AVI. So that is just a very short video presentation. Might be too short. But you can see, you know, you can show people what you can do. You're actually making a little presentation. And that's what you should do. Or you don't, that's what you could do. But the most important thing is to say what you can do for the company. And then if you like, you can show something. Because that's what the video presentation is all about, seeing what you can do for them. Okay. Now this time we're going to show you how to use free VideoDub to edit the video. It's actually very easy to use. So you click on free VideoDub and up pops the face, and you click here to find your video, which is in my video here, Untitled 3, and that's the video presentation. Now we want to cut the end off. The front's okay, start off pretty good, but to cut the end off you go right to the end and you go to about here. Well, hang on, we just go a bit up here so you can get the end, and then you click this button. That's what the video presentation is all about, seeing what you can do for them. Okay, now we'll shut it down. See? So you want to cut the end piece off. So you've got to remember where it goes. We start again. You play it again for the company. And then if you like, you can show something. So that's what the video presentation is all about, seeing what you can do for them. Okay, now I didn't quite it. So something there, cut it off there. See, and to do that, or we might go back. I'll just try and get it a bit better. Go back here again. Hit the play button. Show something. So that's what the video presentation is all about, seeing what you can do for them. Okay. There. Now to cut the end off, you click this one here first. That's the first one you cut. Then you go back to here. Go to the very end and you click this one here. So that little piece there is what you cut out, and you just click X. There. You must remember where you put it. My documents Untitled 3. So that's the name as Untitled 3 in my documents. It doesn't go into this one here. So just remember that. So that's it, nice and simple. Find out where you want to cut it, click the first one, then find out where your second cut is. Well, you got to move this to where you want the second cut, click this one here, the scissors, and then hit the X, and that's it. Very, very simple. But last thing, you must hit the save video bit here. Doesn't take too long, and you can see process was completed successfully. Exit, close, and that's it. Close that one. So that's how you do edit with free VideoDub. No problem. This time I'll show you how to use the free video joiner to actually join all the videos together. But first I want to show you something about this debut video capture. It's a very good program, but you can get lost trying to find the recordings. You click the recording button here and you get these. So if you want to check one, you click this and you can do what you like with it. Play it, save, delete it, open folder. I open the folder because you can't change the name, and you got the name here. This is where you change the name so you know what you're doing. You take them from here, change the name, copy paste them into my video presentation. So you've got to copy paste them from the video, where is it, from the debut, from here you change the name and copy paste or cut paste to your main folder. Now some people get lost trying to find those. So just remember, when you're getting the debut, to find them, you go into, close that, you go into recordings, and you go into open folder to get the video. So I'll just shut these down now. We don't want that. We don't want that. Okay. Now back to making the video, joining the video. So first thing, you click on here, and you get this nice little easy to use face. Now you add, click here, make sure it's AVI because I like AVI, and here make sure you know where it's going. It goes back into here. So add, and I put 1, open, add 2, open, 3, open. You can add them all together, but sometimes they mess them up. They don't leave them in that order, so I always do them one at a time. Open. And the last one, screen dub, open. Now that's the order they're going to be in when they join. So you just 1, 2, 3. Make sure I always name them so I know what I'm doing. And this was an add-on. I put 3W because it has to be after the V, so you get them in the right order. Once they're all there, you just click the join button. And there she starts. One of the problems with free software is it takes a long time. So I'd recommend you just click it down here and basically forget about it. And when it's finished, we'll come back. Okay? Now with the free video joiner, you know the video is finished joining when it goes white and there's an AVI it's called output, AVI file called output in your output folder. That's when it's finished. But you have to be careful with this because sometimes they will overlap, so you have to check it. And if it overlaps, the voice overlaps the movie, you'll have to do it again. But this time you can't join so many videos together at once because it does overlap. So just be careful about that. Now another thing, if the video file megabytes are too much, it's too big, you can go to this video converter here, if it'll come up, because it's one of the few where you can actually lower this one here. No, I don't want the new version. You can actually lower them. You can lower the megabytes. You go to here, put the file in here, and you go to here, and you go to this one, and you lower the quality. Lower the quality. You can make the quality higher or lower. Now to get less megabytes, you go lower. To get more megabytes, you go higher. Oops, there's the buy now one. No, okay, this is the free one. So just close. Go to here. Put the megabyte files down probably to about 2,000 or even less, and then see how many bytes you get, how many megabytes the file is. If it's too many, just change it down, knock it down in size, stick it in there, start it up, and away you go. But that's basically what to do after you've had the file, after you've got the video file. Then, or even with this one here, if you want to, you can change it to FLV. Put it in there and change it to FLV, and then stick it up on YouTube. But it has to be under 10 minutes for YouTube. And you can use the YouTube uploader, it's alright. But just remember, if you're keeping it as an AVI file and it's too large, which sometimes they are, you can change the file size here, make it less megabytes, and if you want to stick it into FLV, change this and stick it into FLV, and you'll be okay. You'll be able to stick it up on YouTube. Now that is basically all this free video stuff is, and at the end of it you should have a reasonably good presentation that you put on your online CV. Now there is some debate about where you put it, but I think the first thing you should have is the video, and the headline should be the caption underneath. Anyway, we'll leave it there, so I hope everything works out for you on when you make your video. Thank you.